If you catch yourself saying one of these two things, you probably just cost yourself a sale and a lot of money. Here's the first one. Did I catch you at a bad time? Here's the second one. If you've got 5 minutes, I'd like to talk to you about blank. If you're saying any derivation of, did I catch you at a bad time? Is now a good time to talk? Or, do you have 5 minutes so I can tell you about our new blah blah blah? It's pathetic. It's weak. This is why people hate salespeople. You've got to learn how to be more effective. You've got to learn how to be more skillful. You've got to learn how to be credible and have authority if you want people to listen to you. Stop saying, did I catch you at a bad time? It's always a bad time. And for sure, stop saying if you've got 5 minutes. Nothing in this world of any value only takes 5 minutes. They know you're lying to them. And that's a terrible way to start a relationship with anybody. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs, so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.